Welcome to 2026. The era of burning your face with harsh chemicals is over. We are entering the age of bio-natural skincare using ingredients that your body actually recognizes. If you want glass skin without the side effects, you need to know these 5 natural powerhouses taking over the industry. Let us start. Remedy 1, nature's retinol. Everyone knows retinol is the gold standard for anti-aging, but it destroys your skin barrier. Today I want to tell about Bakuchiol. It derived from the Bakuchiol plant. Science shows it stimulates collagen just as effectively as retinol, but with zero irritation. No redness, no peeling, just pure natural regeneration. It is the anti-aging hero of 2026. Remedy 2, astaxanthin. Topical creams only go so deep. To truly heal, you must treat the inside. But astaxanthin is a potent antioxidant found in algae. It is 6,000 times stronger than vitamin C. Taking this orally acts like an internal sunscreen, protecting your collagen from UV damage and giving your skin a natural golden undertone. Remedy 3, tremella mushroom. Forget hyaluronic acid. The future is fungi. Tremella mushroom acts like a hydration sponge. Its particles are smaller than synthetic acids, meaning they penetrate deeper into the dermis. It pulls moisture into your skin and locks it there. Remedy 4, fermented rice water. Our skin has an ecosystem of bacteria called the microbiome. Harsh soaps kill it, causing acne. But fermented rice water is rich in enzymes and probiotics that feed your good bacteria. It strengthens your skin barrier and evens out texture. It's an ancient secret that modern science has finally validated. Remedy 5, spearmint tea. If you suffer from deep cystic acne along your jawline, no cream will fix it. That is hormonal. Studies show that drinking 2 cups of organic spearmint tea daily can lower excess androgens, the hormones that cause acne. It heals your skin by balancing your body chemistry. Your skin is an organ. Treat it with respect, and it will reward you with a glow that makeup can't fake. Which of these natural biohacks will you try first? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe for more health secrets, and I'll see you in the next one.